In today's video, I'll show you how to create work schedules using monday.com. First, open your browser and go to the official monday.com website, then make sure to log in to your account. Once you are on the home page, look at the left side panel and click the plus sign beside your workspace. Next, click Board, then select Start with Template. In the search bar, type Work Schedule, then select Work Schedule from the results and click Use Template. Wait for it to finish creating the template board. Once it is done, you will see it appear on your screen and under your main workspace. You can now start customizing it and use it for your work schedules. And that's it. That's how you create work schedules using monday.com.